Hi, I am Dr. Sulochana Khogare, and today we are going to start with the hair transplantation procedure for this patient. I am drawing the hairline currently over here, and my team is getting the operation theatre ready for the procedure. I am discussing the hairline design with the patient and marking it as per the patient's desire. In this particular patient, the frontal part of the hairline is affected and is bald, whereas he has a good amount of hair follicles at the vertex region. We are planning to do about 3000 grafts for him by FUE technique, and it will take around 5 to 6 hours for us to complete the entire procedure. This is the hairline that I have designed. Starting with, we check the patient's vital, we'll check whether he is fit for the procedure. The hair will be trimmed from all over the head and he'll be monitored throughout the procedure. Now everything is set and ready. Starting with, we are cleaning the donor area with the antiseptic solutions and the local anesthesia is being given. After the local anesthesia, the entire procedure will become painless. Let's start with the actual hair transplantation procedure. The first step is extraction of the grafts from the donor area, that is back of the head. Here we are using the FUE technique, means taking out the grafts one by one and not using the FUT, which involves cutting the skin. Patient is lying on his stomach with face resting in a specially designed pillow so that he is comfortable throughout the procedure. Total 3000 grafts are extracted at one go. Patient is conscious throughout the procedure and is completely pain-free. He can contribute to the procedure by discussing the hairline and any changes that he might desire, or he can just sleep throughout the procedure. This is how the grafts look. One graft may have 1 to 5 hair follicles. And then these grafts are arranged for the ease of the implantation. Local anesthesia is given in the forehead area to make the bald area numb. Here I am making the small holes in the skin to receive the grafts. I am placing these holes in zigzag pattern in the hairline area to make the hairline appear more natural. Certain distance needs to be maintained in between the grafts so that all of them can sustain the blood supply. If we try to place these grafts very close to each other, then some of them will just die because they won't be able to establish the blood supply. After designing the hairline, we'll be filling up the remaining areas with the random holes so that it appears more natural. More number of grafts will be placed in the areas which are completely vacant, whereas in the areas where he had some hair follicles, less number of grafts will be placed. Upon creating the holes at the recipient area, we are using the surgical ink to make it more visible. So the blue thing that you see is the surgical ink. Here now I have started the implantation of the graft. I am implanting them very gently without any injury or damage. A saline solution is continuously sprayed on this implantation area to keep it clean and to increase the visibility. It also increases the viability of the grafts. Slowly, I will also be increasing the density of this area. This is a teamwork, and at least 4 to 5 people here are working to make this procedure quick, painless and more successful for the patient. The dressing is given at the back of the head to cover up the donor area, and it is to be kept for 12 hours. The next day morning it can be removed. Now I am seeing the patient after 2 weeks. As you can see, already the hair has started to grow. Even the donor area has healed and all is looking good. The next follow-up will be at 1 month interval for the PRP session.